Another method that can be used when solving a long multiplication problem is the grid method. As the name suggests, the grid method is completed using a grid. Say we have the problem, again, 23 multiplied by 53. Instead of placing it in columns as we do with the column method, we're going to split the number into tens and ones and place them on a grid. As there are 2 digits in the number 23, I am going to need my grid to have 2 columns. There are also 2 digits in the number 53, so my grid will also need to have 2 rows. I then split my numbers into tens and ones. First of all, we have 23, which can be split into 20 and 3. For the number 53, we would split it into 50 and 3. Now we multiply these numbers. So we'll begin with 50 multiplied by 20. The easiest way to do this is to take off the 2 zeros and multiply 5 by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, but because we took off 1 zero from the 20 and 1 zero from the 50, we need to add those back on. So we add the 0 that we took off of the 20 and the 0 that we took off of the 50. However many zeros you remove, you must add back on again at the end. We now look at 50 multiplied by 3. Again, make it easy for ourselves, we remove the 0 on 50. So we have 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15. This time we only removed 1 zero, the 0 from the 50, so we only have 1 0 to add on at the end. We are now completed that row and are ready to move on to multiplying by 3. We multiply the 3 by the 20. Again, remove the 0 from the 20, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and add the 0 back on. That becomes 60. Then we multiply the 3 by 3, and the answer for that is 9. We didn't remove any zeros, so we don't have to add any zeros back on. From this point on, we no longer have to multiply. From here, we simply add. So look at the first row. 1000 plus 150 is 1150. Then we look at our bottom row. 60 plus 9 is 69. To finish off our equation, we simply add these two totals together. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11, so we write down the 1 and carry the 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. You should find that this answer is exactly the same as the answer you got using the column method.